Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thanks a lot for being here today. This is Anandita. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading for all you lovely people. But before we move forward, I just want to thank each one of you for all the messages, feedback, comments, and emails that you've been sending out to me. It gives me immense pleasure to let you know, like when I know that the readings have been resonating with you, and I'm trying to make videos on topics that you've been sending me to make. You know, the suggestions coming from you, the requests coming from you. I'm trying my best to make videos for each one of you, so don't get disheartened if your video hasn't come this time. It'll be out soon next time. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading to let you know the messages coming from the universe, and I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck with the black tourmaline crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck with the peach moon crystal on top, and this is pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. So before choosing your pile, think about your situations. What are you wanting? What blessings, what messages are you wanting? What are you looking from the universe? So think about the situation or the scenario that you are in, and then close your eyes, focus, breathe in, breathe out, have a focused connection with these cards. The more you're clear, the more focused your connection is, the clearer the reading is, the accurate your messages are. And I've repeated in each and every video. I'm repeating it further and further. People have been even messaging me that how should we make the connections. That's the way. These are energized cards. All my decks are energized decks, and they do respond. All the messages that you send me, the readings are resonating with you. It's only thanks to the connection that you're making, because I am just a medium. I'm just a connect. I can only guide you to the path that the universe is telling you to follow. So make your connection very strong with these cards, and I'm sure the piles are nicely visible to you. So take your time, put the video on hold, choose your pile, and once you think that you've chosen your pile, then we could start the reading. So I've made 3 piles here, and also remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. I've also mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. So we'll start with pile number 1. That's the black tourmaline stone crystal and the Art of Tarot deck. I'm again showing you the tarot deck once again nicely, so that people who've chosen pile number 1 are able to see it nicely. So this is pile number 1, messages from the universe. Pick a card. I'll just shuffle the cards for you. What messages is the universe sending out people who've chosen pile number 1? People who've chosen pile number 1, firstly, whatever your situation is at the moment, you're waiting for some kind of a unexpected change in your situation, something happening automatically. Maybe your efforts haven't been rewarded, or you're tired, or there is a lot of interference in your situation. It could be a love relationship, a romantic cycle, something on the work front, something that you are at that edge, or you're at that decision that you have to make, or you want to move forward. You're waiting for some kind of an opportunity. You've really tried your best, and maybe you've even taken some kind of a help from people. It could be simple. You've taken a loan from somebody, but things haven't moved the way you wanted to. You were given the help, but things have still not happened the way you want to. You're looking for some kind of a celebration to take place, and that's not happening, and you're waiting that something happens. So 6.5 weeks to about I would say, 6.5 weeks, I'll say, for your situation to get better. And the message from the universe is that keep pushing yourself. Something will happen unexpectedly. That is going to happen when the right time is there, when the universe has planned it for. And things might start taking shape within the next 24 days also for you. But on the whole, I do not see a negative situation that you are in, or something that's really bothering you. It's just that there is a lot of interference or a lot of clutter in the situation, because people are involved, or your work hasn't been done, or something on those lines. But nothing to worry about, nothing messy. And I see a lot of balance, and a time coming in your life wherein you will start feeling that I have finally achieved a balance of everything. This is what I wanted: health, wealth, prosperity, and finances are doing well, because at this point in time you may be a little dull, you may be really burdened, and because your efforts haven't paid or the kind of results you were expecting you haven't got, so you're just feeling that things are slow, things are not happening the way you want them to, contentment isn't there on the cards. And also I see that your efforts are somewhere not giving you the results, so it's heartbreaking, it's hurting you, it's heartbreaking, and it's burdening you. Some of you might be feeling that you're just wanting to walk away from this situation because it's not in your hands, nothing is happening the way you want it to. So I see that just keep pushing yourself, the universe will soon reward you, your efforts are going to be rewarded, and I see that the breakthrough or the final finale that you've been waiting for, this leg that you are stuck in, is finally going to pass, and new opportunities are coming your way, and the universe is going to help you get the results. And also, people who've chosen pile number 1, I can also tell you one thing, my suggestion is from the cards, you might be in a situation where you're just feeling like you failed, you wanna give up now, you're not in that situation anymore, that you want to push yourself further. Maybe your expectations are so hurt, or your results are not, you've not got the results, so you're now hurt and you want to just walk away, you want to just leave everything, you're burdened. So please don't do that, please hang in there, it's just a matter of time. I see you're in this situation, should I even try, should I leave it? It could be a marriage that's not happening, your relationship isn't doing well, people are really bombarding you that you need to forget about this person and get married to the person we are, or people are not agreeing. So it's making you feel really frustrated that whether it's going to even happen or not. So the cards are definitely asking you to not listen to anybody else and just stay in there, hang in there, the universe will help you. Things will start taking shape within the next 6.5 weeks for a lot of you. Conclusions will start taking place within the next 4 months. So the next 6.5 weeks, 2 to 4 months are going to be a nice prosperous time for you. Time periods are going to be different because these are general readings, so to each its own. And this, whatever the stress situation is, I see it moving, I see it going. People who are in a no contact relationship, or if you're in a situation wherein you've not been able to touch base with your person, you're not in touch with your person, you had a breakup, you're in an argument, I see things just moving unexpectedly. You're going to have a patch up with your person, reunion with your person, and for that it's just a matter of another 18 to 22 days. Things are going to soon change. Maybe you're feeling this is a breakup, but actually it's not a breakup. It's actually going to be that unexpectedly you and your person reunite again, and that's your card. That's the card of the Lovers, and I'm sure that's visible to you. So that brings a lot of hope for you in your relationship. Also on the work front, career front, I see things coming under control for people who've chosen pile number 1. And like I said, time periods will keep varying, but this is a general thing that I've told you for all the time periods, that 6.5 weeks to about 4 months maximum time for you to actually get things sorted out. Let's see what the miracle cards are even guiding you. The messages from the miracle cards coming from the universe. These are divine messages, these are angel messages that are coming for you from the universe. We're just going to pick a card. So just concentrate on these cards and I will take out the message that the universe has sent for you. Alright, people who've taken up chosen pile number 1, it's basically very true that both the cards are going together. Whatever the Art of Tarot deck has said, that's what the miracle cards are also confirming. You need to take control of your life. So like I said, even if things are depending, there could be clutter, you're listening to other people. You're not supposed to listen to other people. Take control of your life and do not depend on others to work for you. And this is a time when soon wisdom, good luck, sparkling is coming in your life. Blessings are coming in your life from the gods. And remember that a wave of positive energy is coming here to wash away all your worries and troubles that you are having at this point in time. Pray to the universe, pray to the Almighty for knowledge and creation of new ideas within yourself. So stop depending on others, stop asking help from others, which I have already seen that you are really relying on other people for a lot of things. People have also entered your life, in your relationship. People are advising you unnecessarily, and that's really creating a lot of negativity. It's just unnecessarily changing your situation for the worst. So stop depending on people. Also remember that this particular card, it is avoiding you to please do not lend money to anybody at this point in time. People who've chosen pile number 1, and for the next 1.5 months, make sure that you are just involved with your own self. Don't lend money. Do not get lured by other people. That's also very clearly mentioned in the cards, that there's no need to take anybody's advice. Last, I had also seen in the Art of Tarot deck that you have got help from the past. You might have taken some kind of financial help from other people. So please stop taking that and stop giving help also. This is a time to just be with yourself and work towards your best, future results. Invoke the Shakti from within and empower your mind. People who've chosen pile number 1, messages from the universe, that's it. That's what you need to understand. Your own power, your own Shakti, that's what the cards are guiding you to do. So I hope the reading was beneficial and resonant with people who chose pile number 1. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Please do not sign off before, without subscribing to the channel. Please do share my videos, share the channel. Thanks a lot, and see you soon with more videos and live readings. Stay tuned to my channel. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. That's the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. And that's the Peach Moonstone. So if you've chosen pile number 2, let's see the messages coming to you from the universe. What messages are coming? It's a pick a card reading. Let me just shuffle the cards for you. Alright, so let's see what's in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. So people who've chosen pile number 2, you are a little stuck. You are a little, your work, your relationship, your whatever is on your mind, it's moving a little slow at this point in time. And also it could be that this situation has been there since the past 2.5 months, and you don't have a solution to this, you don't have the answer to this, so you've just let things be. It's not a negative time, or it's not something that's making you anxious, but something that you just can't help it. So you've just left it. You've just left it, that when the time will be right, or when I know the answer, it will happen. So the message is very clear that first of all, bring back the fire element in yourself. People who've chosen pile number 2, the determination, the zeal, the attitude to achieve something is lost. That needs to first of all come back and take control of your life. Also, the cards are very clearly saying that please do not trust people, do not trust strangers, do not trust people around you. You do not know what is in store, what is in the other person's mind, and this could be a time wherein people could be a little misleading. So just make sure that you're not, you know who to trust and who to not, who's your friend and who's just actually trying to, be a friend. Also, if you're in a relationship and if there's been issues in your relationship, I see a reunion on the cards. People who've chosen pile number 2, your financial matters are soon going to be sorted, but there could be a time wherein you're thinking, if you're trying to save onto money, if you're trying to, save for something, you've planned something, please don't share this with anybody. This is just supposed to be kept with yourself, because the cards do see that, you're sharing your thoughts, or you sharing your ideas at this point in time may not really be very beneficial for you. It may turn out to actually, be a mistake, and that could just in turn change your entire course of action. People who've chosen pile number 2, soon I see you getting a lot of recognition in society, good reputation in society. Maybe you've been longing for that. Also, people who've chosen pile number 2, I see for a lot of you settlement, commitments on the relationship front, and your relationships getting approved by people who've chosen, the people who've been the family, the relatives who are maybe not in favor at this point in time. I see those things, commitment happening for you within the next 2 months. You've been waiting for things to take place. Those things are going to start, your wait is going to be over. It's like at this point in time, you're in a situation when the universe is saying, ask what you want to with open hands, and I'm here to give it to you. So anything on those lines, if you're not getting married, you are not in a relationship, something will soon happen out of the blue, and your Mr. Right or Miss Right is going to be in front of you, and things will just work out. You would have not even imagined, oh my god, suddenly I didn't even see this coming. This person, I just like this person, this rishta came from somewhere, I banged into this person somewhere, and you are soon sorted. If you're waiting to get married, these are the kind of things that could happen unexpectedly. On the family front also, I see very, very powerful bonds getting strengthened, but only one thing that is lacking in this whole scenario is, which the cards are asking you, this is the message for you, that please bring back the determination, the success feeling, the victory feeling in yourself, and try to create a balance. Try to create a balance of the yin and yang. Ho sakta hai, maybe at this point in time, I see that you are being too negative, or you have a very extremist kind of an attitude, that because things are going very slow, you've just lost the hope or the will to really do something. So that needs to come back. I see a beautiful partnership coming on the cards. It could be for work, it could be for some kind of a proposal, it could be anything on those lines. I see partnerships working. 3.5 weeks from now, people who've chosen pile number 2, I see that you will be at a place where you will be ready to explore the world without thinking what next. So even if you have to make that decision of choosing somebody, it's going to be like random. You'll be like, I've decided my mind, I want to do this, and just you will jump into the well, or you'll just take this plunge that, okay, I'm determined, whatever it will be, but I cannot sit here and wait. I cannot be so stagnant, which at this point you're being slow, you're being stagnant, and that's what is causing confusion, that's what is causing a lot of stress. Things aren't moving for you, there's a struggle, but I see this all vanishing within the next 3.5 to 4 weeks, 2 months maximum time. And that's the message for you. That's the card of the sun, and that is definitely new beginnings, new opportunities, raising really high. Whether it's career, whether it's studies, whether it's your work, whether it's health, or even your relationships, I see everything moving. But don't worry about your future, don't be anxious, don't think about what tomorrow has in store for you. It's about today, and it's about trusting the universe that yes, the universe has a plan for me, yes, the universe has decided this for me, and it shall not go wrong. I need to trust the universe with this. And before trusting, you need to also remove the negativity, the clutter, the stagnancy that you are in at this point in time. So it's a definite change of attitude. Determination needs to come back. Let's see what the miracle cards are guiding people who've chosen pile number 2. Let's see what the messages, divine messages coming from the universe for people who've chosen pile number 2, miracle cards. So people who've chosen pile number 2, expect miracles coming your way. So like I said, that things will just unexpectedly happen. Some miracles are on the way. Do not afraid to aim high. So that's what the Rider-Waite Tarot deck also said, that at this point in time, you're really stagnant. You're thinking too much. So don't think about the boundaries that you've made for yourself. You need to look beyond yourself and aim high. And remember that your attitude needs to be extremely promising. It has to have that kind of a growth in your attitude needs to be going there. You have to have that internal self-realization, self-growth, and the cards promise you promotion. Promotion is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2, and also it's clearly showing that just have a clear path of success. Have clarity in your mind. It could be on any situation that you are in. You're clear, like I said in the Rider-Waite deck, that you need to make up your mind. Remove the barriers that are coming from the past, remove the negativity, remove the stagnancy that's coming. Have a clear, set, focused mind. See your path of success, build it for yourself, and see how the universe has a plan. Ask for inner guidance, and your intuitions will give you the guidance. Your inner chakras will give you the guidance. So I hope the reading was beneficial for people who chose pile number 2. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comment section. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you're new to my channel. People, please keep sharing my channel and stay tuned for more videos, live updates, live readings, everything, lots of things coming your way. But just stay tuned to the channel. You could also follow me on Instagram Tarot Arc and Facebook Tarot Arc for more updates. Thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe. Let's see who we have what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. That's the Mystic Monday Tarot deck, and that's the green jade crystal. So let's see what we have in store for you. Messages from the universe. People who've chosen pile number 3, first of all, I see that there could be some kind of a argument or a fight or clutter that is coming from the past, but a very, very minor situation, a very temporary situation. Maybe there's a lot of confusion on your mind regarding something. It could be relationship, it could be work, but it is nothing major. It is nothing that you need to be worried about. It's all temporary, but the universe is definitely promising you a very, a perfect amalgamation, a perfect combination of the life that you really would want. It's something that you would be very happy with. A contentment is there on the cards. I see that, it's like your family life, your health, your wealth, your work, career, finances, everything is sorted, everything is set for you, and you have a plan and you're working with it, you're happy. It's like that complete fairy tale for people who've chosen pile number 3. That's the kind of time that's coming in your life. A lot of contentment on the cards, and even if things aren't moving, for a lot of you, maybe you are already in that situation that things are under control. You're not even in a situation which is to be moving towards there. It's already there on the cards. And for people who are feeling that, no, this is not the best time of my life, I think this is not what you're talking about, then the next 24 days are definitely bringing you a lot of new opportunities, a lot of new hopes, the best of everything. It's like you name it and you have it. Your relationships are here to flourish, a lot of movement, maybe travel is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. And please do not share your plans with people who, just don't share your plans with anybody. Keep it limited to you, your very close-knit circle of your family, because it's such a wonderful time coming your way that it could actually attract a lot of negativity from other people. Jealousies could be there, and it's not something that you could actually avoid, because people of course feel that this person has everything, this person has already got the best of everything. So you will actually have to keep a few things in hiding from other people. And if you're facing any kind of burdens at this point in time, if you're tired, if you want to take a break, if you want to be relaxed, this is the time. I see a lot of happy moments coming in your life, a lot of celebration coming in your life, new beginnings coming in your life. Students who've chosen pile number 3, and if you're thinking of going abroad, or if you're thinking of higher studies and everything, things will start opening up for you. I see avenues opening up for you. Lot of recognition on the societal front, very good image, very good reputation, maybe at work, maybe at whatever your with your friends, family. But yes, your reputation is at the peak, the best at this point in time. And you are already, a lot of you are already seeing small time success. You're already on that path wherein the universe is showing you the best. And for the rest, like I said, 24 days and things are just sorted out for you. Balance coming in your life. But with this balance, please make sure that you are in an attitude of gratitude, because you really need to thank the universe for these beautiful blessings that are coming your way. And the cards are definitely suggesting you to be humble, stay in that attitude that yes, this is all thanks to the universe. It's refrain from having ego. And whatever you put in whatever you put your hand right now in, it's going to be a success. People who've chosen pile number 3 for relationships, that's the card for you. That's the card of the Lovers. I see you in a committed relationship. You're your person, your relationship flourishing. Maybe marriage is on the cards for you. Surrender to the divine. And yes, people, again I'm repeating, please pray to the Almighty, be thankful to the Almighty for all that it is giving you at this point in time, because there's a lot of change coming in your life, positive change, movement, travel, buying of property, buying of a car. It's the world, it's like the works. Whatever you ask for, you get it, and the universe is very happy with you at this point in time. Maybe you really slogged a lot in your past, you had a struggle, and now it's the time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So whatever you are thinking, whatever you've put in, whatever it is, like you have put your foot in, you're going to get the results manifold, and it's all coming to you with surprise. It's all coming to you in an unexpected manner, unexpected fortune coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 3. So it's like you name it and you have it. Have that attitude of determination. Do not get complacent, people who've chosen pile number 3. The cards are definitely warning you to still be in that zone of working hard. Do not just leave everything. You need to do your efforts, and rest the universe will manage. Please do not become complacent, and also please be thankful for everything that the universe is giving you. Let's see what the miracle cards are telling you, the messages from the universe, messages coming from the universe through the miracle cards. These are angel messages. So I'm just shuffling the cards for you, people who've chosen pile number 3. Try and connect to the angels, try and have a focus, ask for the message that is best for you in your situation. All right, so people who've chosen pile number 3, life is bringing you happiness, creation, new beginnings. A wave of energy is flowing from heaven and is coming to propel in your life. So allow yourself to receive these energies, and also the glow that the universe is offering you. Have a positive aura and reflect it back to the universe. People who've chosen pile number 3, remember that this is a card to look within, be thankful, look for deeper insights, and also remember that first of all, do not find happiness outside. Happiness comes from within. So firstly, your aura needs to be happy. You need to be happy from within, and then everything else becomes a reflection of what you are. Charity in the simplest forms will be really helpful for you to create a good karma. So people, both the cards are going together. The miracle cards and the Mystic Monday cards. You are receiving something beautiful from the universe. Creation, new beginnings, planning a family, marriage, new job, new business. Anything that's on your mind is all meant to happen at this point in time. Whatever you put your hand into becomes gold right now. It becomes the best. This is the wonderful time that the universe is offering you. So please be thankful, and these acts of charity, I have always said, make simple acts of charity. Be humble, stay in that attitude of gratitude, and you could just feed the dog biscuits. You could just help the needy, and part with some old clothes, feed bananas to people in the temple. Any simple form of kindness that you could do will bring you a lot of good karma, which will help you in your future endeavors. But people who've chosen pile number 3, a wonderful time coming your way. So I wish you all the very best. And please let me know if the reading resonated with you. You could leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon before you sign off, people who are new. And also, people, please keep sharing my channel. Stay tuned for live reading updates and more videos on the channel. Thank you so much for dropping by for the reading today. I'll see you soon. Take care and stay safe.